Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Huracan with cardboard. Start by choosing a scale and making a simple chassis template on cardboard. Cut doubled sheets for strength and add internal braces where wheels and suspension will mount. Use tabs and overlapping joints to glue panels cleanly. Test fit doors and hood early so adjustments are easy, then sand edges and prep for paint and detailing. Measure twice and cut once when shaping the body panels for your Huracan model. Score fold lines lightly to get crisp creases and avoid tearing. Reinforce wheel arches and roof joints with hidden ribs so doors and panels stay aligned. Glue in stages, letting sections set before adding adjacent pieces to reduce warping. Keep spare scrap for trial fittings and small trims like mirror mounts and vents. Focus on key Lamborghini cues like sharp angles, hexagonal vents, and aggressive splitter to sell the Huracan look. Build small details from thin cardboard layers and sand edges for crisp shapes. Prime with a light filler primer, then apply several thin paint coats for depth and shine. Finish with clear coat if available, and add stickers or hand-painted accents for lights and badges to bring the model to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.